"We are on Mars!" The engines roared, kicking up red dust. We finally touched down on Mars. Our ship, the Phoenix, was our home away from home. We are 12 astronauts, the first humans on Mars, our mission to build a new civilization. Stepping onto the red soil sent shivers down my spine. We were pioneers, writing history with each footstep. Excitement crackled in the air. We had trained for years, and now, here we were, standing on another planet. Our base camp, prefabricated back on Earth, awaited us. It wouldn't be easy, but we were prepared to face any challenge. Mars greeted us with a harsh reality check. The weather was our first challenge. Mars is much colder than Earth, and dust storms can rage for days. Our first storm hit on day 3. It was terrifying. The wind howled, and the dust turned the sky blood red. We huddled inside the Phoenix, our home now a shelter. The storm raged for what felt like an eternity. Finally, after 3 long days, the dust settled. We emerged to a changed landscape. Mars had shown us its power, reminding us of its unforgiving nature. We weren't alone on Mars. We discovered strange, insect-like creatures. They were unlike anything on Earth. These creatures, which we called scouts, were incredibly fast, and had an exoskeleton as tough as steel. During one of our explorations, a group of scouts surrounded our rover. We were scared, but we couldn't show it. We had to study them, not fear them. We used non-lethal methods to scare them away. This encounter was a reminder that we needed to be cautious and respectful of this alien world. Growing food on Mars was our biggest challenge. The soil was sterile, lacking the nutrients for Earth plants. We had brought hydroponic systems, but they needed time to yield crops. Our botanist, Dr. Chen, was our beacon of hope. She had devised a plan to enrich the Martian soil. We worked tirelessly mixing Earth soil with Martian soil, adding fertilizers and experimenting with different light spectrums. Weeks later, we saw the first sprouts of our labor. We celebrated with a simple meal of fresh Martian lettuce. It was the sweetest lettuce we had ever tasted. Teamwork was our lifeline. We argued, we laughed, we cried, but through it all we had each other's backs. When Engineer Ramirez injured his arm during a construction project, Dr. Lee, our physician, worked tirelessly to set it. We relied on each other's skills and expertise. We had to be innovative. We used 3D printing to create tools and equipment. We repurposed parts of the Phoenix for our base. We celebrated small victories and learned from our mistakes. We were a team, bound by a common goal to survive and thrive on Mars. Section 6. Building our Martian home. Our base was more than just a shelter, it was our home. We expanded the prefabricated modules, adding living quarters, a laboratory, and a common area. We used Martian regolith, the loose soil and rock on the surface, to 3D print bricks to build additional structures. We designed our base to be self-sustaining. Solar panels provided us with energy. We purified Martian ice to get water, and our Martian garden promised to provide us with fresh food. We were building a new home, brick by brick, dream by dream. Section 7. Red Planet, New Hope. Life on Mars was hard, but it was also exhilarating. Every day brought new challenges and new discoveries. We studied the Martian atmosphere, geology, and searched for signs of past or present life. Our discoveries fueled our hope for the future. We learned to adapt to the Martian way of life. We celebrated birthdays with freeze-dried ice cream and Martian sunsets with silence and awe. We were pioneers, and our journey had just begun. Section 8. The future is Martian. Our mission wasn't just about surviving, it was about thriving. We envisioned a future where humans could live on Mars, not just visit. We dreamed of families, children, and schools on the Red Planet. We knew it wouldn't be easy, but we were confident that with each passing day, we were one step closer to turning our dream into reality. We were writing the first chapter of human history on Mars, a chapter filled with hope, determination, and the promise of a bright future. Section 9. Our Martian Legacy. Looking back at the journey, I am filled with awe and gratitude. We faced the unknown and emerged stronger, more united. We learned that humanity's spirit of exploration knows no bounds. Our mission to Mars is a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. Our story is just the beginning. We are leaving behind a legacy for future generations, a legacy of courage, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration. We are the first Martians, and we are proud to call this Red Planet our new home.